Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham in Dayton, Ohio. We're just going to give you a short overview and a room tour. You just kind of check things out. Now, although it is closed at the moment, they do have an outdoor pool here, as well as appears to be a multi-functional purpose court. Looks kind of like a small tennis court almost, volleyball court, but it also has basketball net. Now, the actual rooms here at Hawthorn Suites, they are separate from the lobby area. They kind of set off by themselves. It's kind of like almost like small little duplexes. So that's where we're going. We're going to go and check out our room, our duplex. All right. And here is my room, room 313. It is a ground level room. The door, this is a little bit disheartening. The door is quite damaged. All right, and here is the room. Closet here. Looks like some extra pillow and blankets, and iron. Small desk over here. Lamp. Now, if it was winter time, it was colder out. Got a fireplace. I guess that's kind of cool. Couch. It is definitely an older couch. Furniture is rather dated. Looks like it's had a lot of damage done to it. Not a lot of damage, but quite a bit over the years. Probably one time, different TVs screwed in there. Bed. I always like to some stains on the sheets. Don't see any bed bugs. Doesn't mean there does not appear to be any. Guess we'll do the bathroom next. Lights are not very bright. Of course, the thinner towels. Toilet is flushed. That is a good thing. A few toilet products. Now this is a, not for sure why I was given this, but it's a handicap accessible room. So that is why the shower, got the railing and the seat there. And of course that must be the furnace room. Let's check. Freezer. There's nothing in the freezer, that is good. There's nothing left in the icebox. That is good as well. Check the microwave. One time I stayed in a hotel, had a microwave and a mini fridge, and there was food left in the microwave. It was not good. Not too bad. One thing I'd have noticed is the floor, if you look to see, there are all these cracks in it. Somewhat substantial, honestly. So the floor really probably needs to be replaced. Another thing that kind of bothers me a little bit, but is this door. It's rather beaten up, honestly. When you look it out from the outside, there's a few dents in it. So that's a little discouraging. So this is the Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham in Dayton, Ohio. We gave a room tour, just kind of showed you things around. My overall impressions, this place is not horrible. I've stayed in a lot of hotels that are much worse. However, it is a little dated. It does need a little bit of repair work, honestly. But, I mean, it is rather inexpensive, especially compared to some of the other places that would be just like this, but they cost almost twice as much. I know because I've stayed in those places as well before in the past. But if you just, especially if you're a solo traveler, or if you need an inexpensive place to stay for the evening as a couple, or maybe as a family with one kid, because this room here, because they are a suite, the couch does pull out into a bed, so it's a pull-out bed. It's not too bad. You've got a kitchenette unit there. Bathroom's fairly large, relatively speaking. So not too bad. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.